Agreed? There are some, a small percentage, 1.94% matter of fact, that are truly unavoidable circumstances that truly have to go to curfew. Make sense? Yes? And then the rest of that really is controllable on an agent level. So, if you really want this to go away, those are the two things I ask. One, tag it correctly. And don't use that customer complaints thing. Right? We're not supposed to use that, diba? Don't use that. And then two, teach your agents the proper way of handling calls. Mickey Mouse is the best option for us today. But always remember your fundamentals, right, Janice? Your low-hanging fruit call types. Okay? From there, Mickey Mouse can become easy. Same story for SS. Yes?
They're binary calls.
Well, it's just a different name. It's the same goddamn thing, right?
I agree.
Mayabang kayo, iibahin yung pangalan, iisa lang din yan. Call map lang din. Lord,
Ba't yung pangalan pinigil?
oo. Irita ako kasi 91% sisat nila eh. Oh! Diba? Mayabang mga leche.
Tapos pag bumagsak, mas may irita ka, di ba?
Oh, lalo na. Okay? So, please, let that go away. Yes? In the near future, hopefully we make the sale out of it. We create an entirely new desk dedicated to that. So, my only reminder from here, one, finish this. Do the two things I asked. Tag it properly, endorse it properly, make it go away. I'll do the hidden dimension sides, and that's our solution. Okay? Yes? Okay, next. I have some great memos on some nice white couple band that came from me that disappeared already.
Because I took it.
Because they took it all. And we will endorse that today. Severe infraction, ladies and gentlemen, is the biggest broken window we have in the account today. All of it is self-induced. It's a quality metric we control. From not putting in notes to excessive hold time, the discipline of just going back before 2 minutes. And then what's the other pieces there? And transferring to CSAT. Right? So, there's a memo, there's accountability that will be put in place.
Don't delete emails.
Any person after this date,
Where did it go?
I marked it as
before
red.
that actually.
Oh, okay.
You know,
I'm going to delete
will
it.
be held accountable. So
Hindi
I have
na
to talk
makita
to all
sa...
the teams. I have a list.
You marked it
Top
X.
to bottom, highest to lowest.